Okay, good day everyone. Today I want to share about this again, but today I want to additional doorbell because some of the scenario they require of this. So over here they have an AutoCAD intercom I installed from the very outside. This is the first door, second door, and also the indoor reception counter. So currently I want to do is how I'm going to set up this thing. So firstly, this tool is under the default channel, so default condition. So we come to over here, I'm doing the setup. So I just putting the create the password. Okay, once I'm done, I just follow a step. So I change the security. So this is a very quick. Okay, so next, okay, so for AutoCAD automatically I just click over here. Okay, so I leave it, I have an IP address. Okay, so I next on it. So my installation is running, same as registration. Okay, take over here and next on it. So I don't use Wi-Fi, I don't use here. Okay, so I connect. Now I'm going to activate this guy. Okay, click over here. Okay, next on it. So finish. So they will start to do a pairing between this guy and this guy. So this have to wait for the moments. Okay, it's already configured. Come, we take a look. We start live here. As we can see, they have an outdoor station over here, and this already are functioning already. Okay. So able to unlock the door and off the ring and answer the call. So answer the call will have a repeating sound lah. Okay, so okay, so now I'm going to disable this doorbell button, the doorbell functions. So these two cables will lay into the indoor station over here. So make sure you're connecting to the alarm in. So firstly, we have to configure this part also. So going to settings. Going to this home logo, then go into shortcut settings. You turn on the alarm. So after you turn on the alarm, there are something changes over here. Do you see they have a zone setting? So you click zone setting over here. They have a zone number 1. So okay, this zone number 1. You change this smoke detector to be doorbell function. So after we done the doorbell function, there's nothing to do over here already. So come to over here, we take a try. So this become a doorbell function already. Okay, so this is how the way we configure that, because this overall is like something like they have an AutoCAD system outside, then come to their small door, so we can able to alert the intercom people to come down to open the door as well. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.